Welcome back to the 30-day meditation challenge. Today is day 18. Today I thought I would give you a short list of a few different meditation techniques you can Google and learn a little more about if you'd like to. So let me give you this short list and then I'll tell you which one we're going to do today. Here's the list: mindfulness meditation, focused attention meditation, loving kindness meditation, and mantra meditation. So, if you like this challenge and you've become more interested in learning about meditation and also interested in establishing a sustainable practice, then maybe you want to go talk to ChatGPT or pop one of these techniques into Google or go to a bookstore and learn a little bit more about any of them that appeal to you. Today, we are going to try focused attention meditation. And focused attention meditation means that you concentrate your attention on a single object or sound or something while you breathe and meditate. So, focusing on one thing, focusing your mind to one thing, helps quiet down your mind. It gives it sort of a place to land or a bit of an anchor. And so all you do is you choose something to focus on. It might be your breath. That's one of my favorite. I have a meditation technique I teach called breath awareness. So that would be considered focused attention. Uh, but it can also be, there could be many things. It could be something you look at or something you listen to. Maybe you have a fan running in the room and you focus on the hum of the fan. It could be some soft meditation music you enjoy, something like that. Today, we're going to try focused attention meditation using a visual. So let's see how this goes. I will help us ease into the meditation, and then I'm going to put up a flickering candle on the screen for you to look at. So as we breathe and attempt to just kind of let our bodies relax and rest and just be, we're going to focus our eyes on that flickering candle. And all you want to do is try and be relaxed, breathe comfortably, and watch that flickering flame. Kind of keep your eyes, keep your mind, keep your attention focused on the flame. And then if your mind wanders or you notice there's a lot of thoughts happening or you're thinking about something, as soon as you become aware that's happening, track your eyes back on the candle, on the flame, and just start over and over and over. It doesn't matter how many times you have to start over. That's part of the practice. That's part of practicing meditation, is to, recenter, reground, refocus. All right, so get nice and comfortable now, and I will throw up this flickering candle for us to look at. And I'm not going to play any music. I don't want any other distractions. We're going to see how a visual works. Remember, we're experimenting, so I want to give you a lot of different things to try. All right, here we go. Nice and comfy. And we're just going to gently focus our eyes on the flickering candle. And I'm going to leave this up for about 4 minutes. Right? Relax and breathe. Watch the candle. And in a few minutes, you'll hear my voice again, and I'll wrap up the meditation. I'm back again. Focused attention meditation. And this time we used a visual. I always wish that we could chat for a moment and you could tell me how that went. Maybe you can drop a comment. Let me know what you thought of that one. That's all I have for you today. You're welcome to replay this if you enjoyed that and you'd like another 4 minutes. I appreciate you being here with me, and I'll be back tomorrow. See you then.